I was given 2
You
rounds.
ugly little man!
David and Goliath, miserable chances. To give up and throw in the towel? Never.
Слава Україні!
Ukraine was given 2 weeks, but we have been standing for over 1,000 daily rounds. Independent and free. The enemy strikes again and again. Destruction, suffering, darkness. Your help can become our shield if we unite, if we all believe in the power of our hands. One fist cannot break a wall, but a million fists will. This winter will be another test of our strength, but each of you can make this fight easier.
Я звертаюсь до всіх своїх фанатів, друзів і навіть супротивників. Підключайтесь разом, виступимо на світлій стороні проти темряви.
Follow the link in bio to support the Ukrainian people in this hard time.